Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to look at your person's current feelings towards you and what is going to be their next step towards this relationship in regards with you. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can DM me on my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So let's get started with your reading now. What is there for my Virgos and their person's current energies? My Virgos person's current feelings towards my Virgos, and what is going to be their immediate step in regards with this relationship, and the obstacles as well that I'm going to see, and the final outcome. Let's get started now. Okay. Okay, so let's see what are their current feelings towards you at this moment. It's the Knight of Pentacles. Somebody is trying to come back to you. Virgos, is that so? Somebody who was very loyal, but I really get the feeling with the Knight of Pentacles that this person just goes away to come back. They are just wandering away here and there, and this person is really a type of a person who always has excuses. If they are leaving you and if they are coming back to you, they will always have good excuses. So this person, be ready to just listen to some excuses why they are doing what they are doing. So this person is trying, so whosoever with whom you are dealing with, if it can be a earth sign, Taurus, Capricorn, or Virgo, yourself. So this person is really trying that you are at some place, and if they are not, sometimes let's say if you are calling them and they are not picking up the call, so they have an excuse why they didn't pick up the call, and that is not even the truth. Okay, so although this person always, with this Knight of Pentacles, it always tells us about the loyalty and the dedication towards the relationship, but they are really slow and they are always keep on lingering on one person only. So it's not that they are going to leave you, but they are not always there, and they are always there with excuses. So you might be knowing whosoever this person is. Okay, so what do they think that your feelings are towards them? So they think that you are the 10 of Cups. So they think that for you it's the 10 of Cups. For them, for you it's like, I love my person. You are always the one who is loving them a lot, with the 10 of Cups, that happily ever after, a happy marriage kind of a card. So you might be married to this person as well, but their energies are not looking to me very strong. The more your energies are more strong than them. What is the obstacle in this relationship? 6 of Swords. That energy of leaving a station, when a train is leaving and you are feeling that something is leaving, something is going out, something is going away. That is the obstacle. This might be a travel or as well. They might be traveling and they might be always out of station, out of town. So that is, so you are not, long distance relationship also. That is why the the loyalty checks are going on. You might be not able to trust on them fully, because you know that you are right from within, but you are not able to trust them a lot, and you have faced a lot of problems before as well. So that is why when now the small things happen, you start thinking a lot, overthinking kind of a thing starts in your mind, that the same thing happened before also, and this person lost my trust, so again it can happen. So that is why you are in that middle of a place, what is happening around you. So let's see what is going on in the action taking, like what actions they are going to take in regards with you. So this is the Empress card, so time to take action card. This is already, so yes, they are going to take an action in regards with this relationship. So just be ready to see what actions they are actually taking. If they are actually saying something and they are actually doing it, So that means this person is actually doing what this person is saying. Okay, so I'm going to clarify more about this card. What is going on? What actions you are going to take? Five of Wands. Okay, so because of the situations happening, so this might be something like a kind of a conflict, arguments in between both of you. So this is the action which you are taking. If you see that, because since this is the Empress and the Knight of Pentacles, so this is a strong Taurus and strong Pentacles energy, you know, earth signs energies are here, so they are very slow. First of all, Virgos, as you already know, as you are also a Virgo, but you need some action, and when you are not getting that action, that might frustrate you. So what you can do, you might be already doing it, you might be fighting with them continuously, or they might also be fighting with you. So that is something like, you know, always coming up with the conflicts, always coming up with the arguments. Whenever you start to talk, just to talk, arguments start to happen. So these are the situations, because they are not expressing, they want to express but they are not able to express. That is the situation which is coming up, and you want a lot of expression. You need somebody to tell you how they love you, you need them to talk to you, but they are not able to talk. They are always there with excuses. Okay, so let's see what is the final outcome in this relationship. We have the King of Cups. So I'm going to clarify this energy more, but till the time this outcome tells me that with this person, see, I really get a lot of trust from your person's part. If you are feeling that they are not playing the trustworthy thing, if they are not doing trustworthy things or something like that, so do not overthink yourself, because you are actually, with the Virgos, they are kind of a detectors, you know, who detects a lot, and detectives kind of people. So if you are really getting that vibe of that they are making excuses and they are lying, and that is why, you know, that truth and that faith issue is coming up in your mind. So stop overthinking, because they are going to show what they actually have for you. So just be positive in regards with this relationship, I would suggest you. And something is actually coming up towards you. They will talk to you, they will try to make contact with you, but you have to be little patient for that, Virgos. So what is the overall energy in this relationship? Five of Swords. So I see a lot of trickery, a lot of you know, that kind of a feeling where one person is the victim and the other person is the person who is doing bad to the other person. But this is the overall energy which is still hidden. I think something is changed in this reading. Because Five of Swords, I didn't expect the Five of Swords in the reading. So this might be, because I need to clarify their cards. This might be the ones, they might be showing what they are from outside, and whatever they are from inside, that might be something else. Okay, so let me clarify some cards for you. I really need to clarify. Let me check why the Knight of Pentacles is there in my Virgo's person's energy. Why the Knight of Pentacles is here. The Chariot. Okay, so at first they are being the Knight of Pentacles, and all of a sudden the Chariot energy, it is little different. It is a lot different than I thought. So this person, when it comes to you, their feelings towards you, I think that something is happening. If you are really getting that vibe of something is happening, you might be right. Right, Virgos. Because they are playing safe at this time. They are really playing safe. Why the Empress energy is here in the actions? Ace of Wands. But some communication is coming your way. That is definitely something is coming up towards your way. So just be ready for that communication. But when we talk about this relationship, like going far, that can not be a thing, which I don't feel that this relationship is going towards something like an endless relationship, because they are becoming very different when it comes to overall energies. if we talk about, they are not the same people anymore. Okay, their energies are really flickering at this time. My dear Virgos, you have to keep an eye on this thing, because that Five of Swords, I am not liking that. Why this King of Cups is here in the outcome? The Moon. See, something hidden. I was telling you that something is being hidden. I think, yes, you are actually, this is some kind of unnecessary worry, but this person is showing a little different face. They are different from within and they are different from outside. So you have to keep an eye. And if you are feeling some, that I was telling you before, that if you are being that on detective mode on kind of a situation, that is right for you, Virgo. If that detective mode is on, I think you should keep on detecting what is happening, what's wrong, because something is hidden. And let's see why the Six of Swords is here in the obstacle energy. What obstacle is that? Seven of Pentacles, one more card. Two of Wands and Two of Swords. See, so much of indecisive action, indecisive things happening around you and your person. So this person is not willing to take any decision in regards with this relationship. There is something or the other, they have other plans as well. So that is why they might not be telling you what exact plans they are having when it comes to this relationship, but there is definitely something. Okay, so let me check that Five of Swords energy in the overall energy of this reading. Why it's coming so negative? The Dreamer and the Renewal. They are into something, ending something and starting something new. That is what I'm getting here. They are into something. With the Moon card also, it's coming up that there is some kind of a hidden fishy feeling in this situation. I think you have to be aware whatever is happening. You have to be aware, Virgos, what is happening. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Virgos. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.